All right, Shalom. Shalom, giving all praises, all glory, all honors unto Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushua, by Hashem Kakadash. Double honors to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Peace and blessings to the hopeful elect. This is another update to the coming Motb, the Charagma, according to the prophecy in the scriptures, Revelation the 13th chapter. All right. And this is an article here from Moguldom. All right, moguldom.com. This is April 4th, 2023. All right, 2023 being the hopeful year that Yahweh Bashmi Awashai brings all his prophecies to pass. Okay, especially this major prophecy right here. All right, dealing with this technology that I'm getting ready to read about, which is prophesied in Revelation 13 from 16 on down. Okay, so I'm gonna get right into it. All right, and of course I'm gonna use these different code words to throw off this YT algorithm, right? But you can see it here on the screen. So it says a penny-sized microchip, right, embedded under your scalp and powered wirelessly by an external device could deliver tiny electrical pulses to the region of your brain affected by severe depression and replace conventional antidepressants, according to Los Angeles-based startup Cosmos. Okay? Cosmos is one of a growing number of tech companies making brain implants, but the first of its kind to implant the C-hips, right, in the bone of the skull to provide immediate relief for depression. So, once again, this is direct fulfillment of Revelation the 13th chapter. Matter of fact, let me just show that on screen. All right. Matter of fact, I'm going to read one verse, which is Revelation 13 and 13. It says, "And he doeth great wonders, so that he maketh fire come down from heaven on the earth in the sight of men." Now, this is talking about this system that we're currently living in, which is ran by the Western world hegemony, starting with the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. All right, NATO, as organization, made the first bombing, okay, ordered together in 1995, the bombing of Herzegovina, okay, in 1995. Just look up 1995 NATO bombing, all right? And this was the beginning of the beast, able to make fire come down from heaven, okay? Although America and the West, the U.S., had bombs and did drop bombs, this was not fulfilled in World War II with Nagasaki and Hiroshima. The technology was there, but what we're talking about here is the beast. Just read up at Revelation 13 and 11. Okay, the beast is not America. America is a part of the beast system, right? The main military arm over the beast, right? Or a part of the beast, excuse me, which the beast itself is NATO, and that system includes the EU, America, Canada, the UK, all these different, mainly so-called white European countries, okay? So they made fire come down from heaven in 95, all right? It says in verse 14, and this is the point, one of the points, it says, "And deceiveth them that dwell on the earth by the means of those miracles which he had power to do in the sight of the beast." See, this technology that I'm getting ready to read about in this article, all right, dealing with these this brain Charagma technology, this is a miracle, because what they're doing is they're targeting people that have issues dealing with depression. Even Elon Musk and his Neuralink technology, brain technology, is targeting those that have Alzheimer's, and other companies, all right, other tech companies as well, basically wants to use this technology to perform miracles to get people to think with all their memory again, be able to walk again. All this is part of the miracles of the beast, because this technology is going to be enforced in the West by NATO, and eventually all around the world. There's other countries that are going to adopt this technology. Okay. So it says, and deceiveth them that dwell, and deceiveth them. See, deceiveth them meaning they're tricking you. They're deceiving the people of the earth to say, oh, well, this technology can cure this and it can heal this and we can give sight. All you got to do is put this device inside of your, your brain, your forehead, as the prophecy says, right? Put this device inside your head and all your troubles will go away. But what they're doing is they're able to not only, bring those miracles to pass by their technology, but they're also able to dig deep into your thoughts, what you're thinking, able to pretty much have an invasion of your privacy. Okay? This is the kind of technology that they're going to deceive the people with in the very, very, very near future. All right? And it says, which he had power to do in the sight of the beast. So it says, and deceiveth them that dwell on the earth. So the people of the earth, the planet Earth, are going to be deceived by the miraculous technology, which he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth that they should make an image to the beast, that they should worship this system. The image is the system you see around you that is emerging with this metaverse, this VR technology, this digital global economic system that they're talking about all on the news right now. Everything is going digital. Okay, smart technology. Everything is being set up to where you as a person, especially through this technology that they want to put inside of you, you're going to be connected to the internet. Just like your smartphone can get Wi-Fi, you're going to have access to that, or it's going to have access to you through these coming tech devices that they want to put inside of you. Okay? It says that they should make an image to the beast. So the whole world is going to transform to a new world, as they called before, a new normal. Okay? Which had the wound by a sword and did live. And that wound was dealt to the Roman Empire, which now the Roman Empire is alive again through NATO, which is the revitalization of the ancient Roman Empire, because it's the same countries coming back. Okay? So this is a part of the miracles, okay? This technology, all right? And one of these companies is called Inner Cosmos, all right? Which Inner Cosmos is the Greek word for world, okay? So the inner world of what? The inner world of your mind. And they want to use these technologies to cure, such as what it's saying here, or as it says here, provide for immediate relief for depression. Okay. Now it says, after nothing else worked, Sarah, the first patient in the world to undergo the experimental treatment, had a targeted jolt sent to just the right spot in her brain via her deep brain stimulation, or DBS device, causing her to laugh. So they want to make you happy. Inner Cosmos' digital pill includes two parts: an electrode implanted under the skin of the scalp, the smallest and least invasive technology to date, about the size of a penny, and a prescription pod that snaps onto the user's hair to power the device. So these are technologies that they're currently testing out. They're getting certain people to test them, and they're seeing how they work. Okay? Click on this digital pill. All right. Oh, this is another good article here. All right. I might come back and do a video on this, to land back off of the one here. But this is from the Daily Mail out of the UK. Okay. First brain implant tech to treat depression is revealed. Penny-sized digital pill that sits under the skin and releases tiny electrical pulses starts human trials. This is from January 11th, 2023. Same company, Cosmos. Okay, right, and it mentions Elon Musk. Well, I'll just mention this article here too. All right, I'm already doing the video. And the Cosmos has implanted its device in a human patient and plans to start a second human trial next month. So they're on the way. They probably got 3 or 4 trials on the way by now. Okay. While Elon Musk Neuralink expects to begin human trials in 6 months, which would be now that would be in another 2.5 months, which is about June of this year. A neurotech company unveiled a device that treats depression and is now in the skull of the first patient. So these things are definitely, you can see it here, yep, about the size of a penny. So these are the things that they want to put inside of you, okay? So yeah, man, this prophecy is coming to pass, all right? We are in the testing stage. And then once they get enough of these different trials proven to work, then they can get the go-ahead to give these things to the public, okay? And a lot of, this tech is going to be issued, voluntarily, all right? They'll be able to say, oh, well, we got this new technology by these different startups, right? They can start with Elon Musk and because he's a well-known brand name pretty much. And it works. We tested it on several people. So instead of you having to go to the doctor and get this prescription, just put this device and they'll probably do like they did the juice about a year and a half ago and say, listen, it's free. However they want to do it, but they're going to sell it to the people at first. Then eventually, as time goes on and things get a lot more hectic in the world, then it's going to be made mandatory. Okay? So let me see. And this is still talking about Sarah here. It says the treatment used on Sarah involves stimulations lasting 6 seconds at a time. Each time a specific depressive biomarker is identified. Yeah, bio meaning the body of the body, and marker meaning to mark. So or like identify, whereas it says here is identify. It's identify depression in the body. That's what this technology is doing in the brain. All right. And it says Stat News reported researchers discovered that the therapeutic effects of stimulation didn't stop when the electrical current stopped. They persisted. So this is like a miracle. Oh, it even works without it having to get stimulated, okay? It says the idea of stimulating somebody and just a few seconds later, them saying my depression is gone, it is just stunning, Crystal said. They have this experience where they haven't felt this good in years. They get hope. They feel like there's a sense of belief. It's clearly linked to their body, their biology. So this is biotech, okay? The technology is biometric because it's measurement of the body to measure, and they're going to give out readings, okay? That's how these scientists and these doctors are even getting these results, okay? So this is a miracle, man. All right. So they have different companies, and the three top technology, or should I say technocrats in the world are Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Bill Gates. right? And you can read here, the goal of Inner Cosmos is to move away from prescription drugs. So this is, this is what the goal of this technology is, okay? Elon Musk, he has his BCI, his BCI brain chip interface. Then it mentioned Synchron, which is a startup backed by Amazon, Jeff B, and Microsoft, Bill G. Okay. Human trials begin in July. Okay. The firm's brain implant about the size of a paperclip will be implanted in 6 patients with severe paralysis. So this is a part of those miracles, okay? Or we can cure paralysis, we can cure depression. And these different companies, and like I said, these top billionaire technocrats are spearheading this new technology, okay? Which is a fulfillment going into this chapter here and this prophecy, okay? It's coming to pass, man. Slowly but surely, we're seeing the manifestation of the technology, and soon it's going to be mandatory. So with that, I hope this was edifying. All praises go to Yahweh Bashim Yahushua, Bashim Kakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Oh, and one more thing. Let me add this too, right? And this is what they're doing. Let's see if it pops back up. These are the type of things that they want to do. This is also from April 4th. This is from 96.3 KKLZ out of Arizona. All right. Get your pet C-hipped for free at Arizona Charlie's. Right? So they're putting these things in your pets, right? And then they want to put these other devices in humans. So as you can see, this technology is moving from animals to humans. All right. If your furry friend says if your furry friend has yet to be C-hip, you can get your pet C-hip for free this Saturday, April 8th. Okay, so it already passed. All right, this past weekend at Arizona Charlie's Casino at 740 in Las Vegas. According to the flyer on Arizona Charlie's, this free event would take place from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It will feature live entertainment. All right, so these are the things that they want to get people involved in. Like I said before, and everybody knows, when they was given the shout out, it was you can get free hamburgers, you can get free membership here, you can get free free tickets. Okay, the GOV was doing everything they could to get people to take it. So this is what they want to do with your pets, and they're going to eventually sell the same tech that they're giving your pets, of course, with some software differences. Okay, and they're going to sell it the same way to humans, especially once this technology here is given the go-ahead for human trials. All right. So entering into the summer 2023, also, especially with the Fed Now program, with them pretty much having their own the GOV of the US of A having their own federal instant payment program. Okay, that's going to fast track eventually to digital money, which the money is already digital. People have been using credit and debit for years, but now it's just going to be able to be monitored by the GOV. Okay, so we're in this time, man. 2023, summer 2023 is going to be interesting. Of course, on into the the fall, and we'll see what happens going into the end of the year. If it be the will of the Lord, we go into 2024. Okay. But of course, we hope these prophecies come to pass soon. I mean, they're fast tracking these things into the summer. So we'll see. All right. So definitely, watch and pay attention. Watch and pray, as Yahweh Shai said. So once again, our praises go to Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai, Bashim Kakwadash. Double honor to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Shalom.